Hello everyone, my name is Dhruv and I am an intern at Lexis and Company. So today in this video we are going to talk about some offenses that may affect public health, public safety, convenience, decency and some morals. Now why I want to talk about these are because as we see in our day-to-day lives, so public nuisance is a major offense that is increasing day by day. It is taking different forms, being different versions of it, or whatever we can say to it. But most of, most of the cases, public nuisance is increasing. So let us take a case scenario, and we'll try to understand public nuisance in in accordance with this case scenario. So let's take that there is a house party and there were five people involved. They were playing loud music and they were playing the music very late night around, let's for example, let's say 2 a.m. in the morning. Now 2 a.m. in the morning is a time where majority of the people prefer to sleep. I'm not targeting any sort of audience, but majority of people prefer to sleep, and I guess it's the only way that one should sleep at night and get a proper day ahead. So one those five peoples were they were partying in their own premises in their own house, and but the loud music was disturbing their neighbors. So one of the neighbor in the locality came that very moment in the night only. He came them to complain them and to plead them that you should stop it, but none of them agreed. So the next morning, the neighbor filed a police complaint, and the charge for public nuisance was on the five people, and the FIR was lodged against the five people. So now what one can do in these cases? What client, as a lawyer, what a, if a client comes to us in these cases, so what he can do as a practical application to what is the practical application to it. So according to the law, the charge of public nuisance is imposed on them. Now what is public nuisance? So the offenses which affect the public health, safety, decency, morals, convenience, these sort of offenses comes under public nuisance. And according to that section 268 of IPC, that section 268 states public nuisance, and a person is guilty of a public nuisance who does any act or is guilty of an illegal omission or causes any immoral or common injury, danger, or annoyance to the public or to the people in general who dwell or occupy property in the vicinity, or which must essentially cause injury, obstruction, danger, or annoyance to the person who may have occasion to use any public right. Now, what does this specifically mean? If we explain this to a layman, so it means like a person can be guilty for the public nuisance who does an act like in this case scenario we discussed playing loud music, and or of an illegal omission, like illegal omission that say that one is carrying a weapon or a gun into public places. So legally it's not allowed, and because of course it can cause injury, it can cause dangerous to any people present there. So these all offenses come under public nuisance. Now what a client can do, what a person can do if he is imposed against these charges. So the common ground on that nuisance is excused, it does that it has some convenience or advantage, then in that case one can be excused that if he has done something. But if the thing is that he is in, as if we take the reference of our case scenario, so talking about playing music late night, so there is no way escape or no way excuse to it. It is a public nuisance and it is an offense. So now one has to do what? So he should pay a certain amount of fine to the client, Now here the question is that why will he pay to the client? So he can pay to the client in only in those cases when person who has lodged the complaint, so if he proves or if he imposes that yes, he has got some damages such as monetary damages or something, or some of his personal belongings got damaged, so in that case he can demand the fine from the client. Otherwise, as per the punishment of the offense, the one should pay a fee to the state for being excused for the next time. So this was the case of public nuisance. I hope you got some understanding regarding it through the example, and we'll meet tomorrow again with another such topic. Thank you.